So let's create a dynamic paint. So with dynamic paint, what's really cool about that is we can actually have objects paint on top of objects. So we can do a cool effect. So let's say someone's trotting through snow with dynamic paint. We can actually make it look like that. Or we can do a kind of a hack for real-time water. And that's what we'll do because that's the easiest to demonstrate. So what we want to do is we're going to add a plane. So Shift A, mesh plane, S, GZ, go to modifiers, add modifier. We want subdivision surface, simple, let's say 5. 5's pretty good. We also want to make it smooth. So let's go into edit mode. We want to go to mesh, shading down here, smooth faces, tab. Okay. And we're going to want to go to the physics one. Here's physics, it's orbiting icon. And we want is dynamic paint. So we want this as a canvas because, we're painting on it. We're going to add a canvas. There we go. So the surface type, we have it as paint, but we can also have it as waves as well. And that's what I personally like to do. So as waves, and it's going to be form and stuff. And so you can do some cool stuff. So I'm going to have it as waves. That seems fine. I'm going to click on the cube. I'm going to do dynamic paint instead of the canvas. This is going to be the brush. Okay, add brush. That's fine. And yeah, that's fine. So now I'm going to click on record. G, move it here. Go here. G, move it here. Go here. G, Shift Z. Let's say move it over here. Here. G, Shift Z. Here. Go up. GZ. And then let's go down. GZ again. And then G, Shift Z. So let's go all the way back here. If I hit play, we can already see that we have a bunch of essentially waves that's happening. So let's go back here and play. Now to really see this, what we'll do is we'll go to materials, add new material, and we'll make this into like a reflection. So that's the base color, make it blue, change the roughness. Sorry, metallic we want on, and then roughness we want off. And let's go into material preview. So now if I go back here, hit play, and we can see that the cube is essentially creating waves with the, oh, there we go, see? Now, if you're not happy with that resolution, what we can do is we can actually increase it. So let's go here, and you want to hear, let me just make this a bit brighter. Looks better. We'll go to the modifier, and let's change this to, let's say 10. So now if I go here, let's say play. It's going to take a little bit more time in order to go through it. But now it's really starting to look like actual waves. So this is like great for like a little boat effect.